of Amazon Route 53. Amazon Route 53 is a highly available and scalable cloud domain name system that provides a reliable and cost-effective way for developers and businesses to route end users to Internet applications. This is achieved by translating names like www.example.com into numeric IP addresses like 192.0.2.1 that enable computers to connect to each other. Amazon Route 53 is also fully compliant with Internet Protocol version 6. Amazon Route 53 connects user requests to infrastructure running in AWS, such as Amazon S3 buckets or Amazon Elastic Load Balancers, and can also be used to route users to infrastructure outside of AWS. Amazon Route 53 traffic flow simplifies traffic management globally through a variety of routing types, including latency-based routing that routes users to the AWS region that provides the lowest possible latency, GeoDNS routing that routes users to a particular endpoint that you specify based on the end user's geographic location, geo-proximity routing that routes traffic to your resources based on the geographic location of your users and your resources, weighted round-robin routing that specifies the frequency with which different DNS responses are returned to end users, and failover routing that lets you route traffic to a resource when the resource is healthy, or to a different resource when the first resource is unhealthy. You can also use Amazon Route 53 Application Recovery Controller to configure DNS health checks that continuously monitor your application's ability to recover from failures and control application recovery. Amazon Route 53 has a simple web services interface that lets you get started in minutes. You start by creating an Amazon Route 53 hosted zone that can store DNS records for your domain. Once you create a hosted zone, you receive 4 Route 53 name servers to help ensure a high level of availability for your applications. If you don't have a domain name, you can create one with Route 53, or transfer an existing domain that you already own, so you can conveniently manage your domain names and DNS configuration in a single location. Your hosted zone will be initially populated with a basic set of DNS records, including 4 virtual name servers that will answer queries for your domain. You can add, delete, or change records in this set using the AWS Management Console or by calling the Change Resource Record Set API. Amazon Route 53 supports many DNS record types, including A records that route traffic to a resource, such as a web server, and C-name records that allow you to redirect one domain name to another. Route 53 also includes alias records that let you route traffic to selected AWS resources like Amazon S3 and Amazon CloudFront.